I appreciate the chance to view a few tricks for you this evening. It's great to be back. I haven't been anywhere, but it sounds professional.
Penny, there's no way.
No, it's a half dollar.
It's 50 in the bottom, yeah.
No. It's a penny. It's the penny.
Now just give them a fast rip, right in half. Fast rip, 2, 4 equal pieces, right in half, on the count of 3. Notice you had one there in your sleeve, another one in the drink. Could you come up here for just a moment? All right. Let's step right up here. You know, I've seen people come to the corner gate carrying money on them before, but for some reason I noticed that you seem to have quite a bit of money there coming out of every location. What is your name?
Maureen.
Maureen, do me a favor. Can you cough? Your time? Yeah, the first time I did
Tried it with the same. Again with the small first. Did you hear anything in there?
Let me open it.
That's the problem. It's not easy to hear.
Now, I'm a little bit worried after all of this that you may not even remember the card that you picked. Oh, you do remember the card? What was the number of it? 5? What was the suit? 5 of hearts. Okay, I should have known. I've had trouble with that one before. Oh.